We are here at Simply Chic in downtown Rockingham, where on the side of this building, a mural was traced last night by local artist Daniel Webb. Daniel just completed the new mural at the Rockingham Dragway. If you've not seen that one, make sure to check it out. And if you happen to be in downtown Rockingham in the evenings, look for Daniel painting. See the magic in action on the side of Simply Chic here in downtown Rockingham. I'm Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, bringing you your weekly Rockamercial, your guide to all things fun here in rockin' Richmond County. Tonight, there is live music just around the corner at Hudson Brothers with Whiskey River Duo. In Hamlet, they will have the Blewett Dam Band. Over at Rockingham Dragway, they will have an open testing tune night, and at Double Vision, they will have karaoke. Friday, August the 30th will be the first home game for the Richmond Raider varsity football team. This is against Butler and starts at 7:30 p.m. Prior to that, the Richmond County Booster Club will have a tailgate party that starts at 6 p.m., ends at 7 p.m., and is sponsored by Godfather's Pizza. You can see more information about that on the Richmond County Booster Club Facebook page. The 11th annual Healing Wheel Retreat will be at Millstone 4-H Camp this weekend. You can see more details and the registration on the Facebook event page. Over at Rockingham Dragway, they will have a Sandhills Bracket Championship. This will be a 3-day bracket race and the final points race for Rockingham Dragway this year. Mega Park in Hamlet will have their open hours Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This starts at 1 p.m. They go a little later on Friday night, and Saturday night and Sunday they stop at 6 p.m. Saturday night, Axe to Grind Bowtie will be there with karaoke over at Double Vision. They will have Roy G. And on Sunday, just across the street at Discovery Place Kids here in downtown Rockingham, they will have their sensory-friendly hours. And don't forget, next week will be another Plaza Jam here in downtown Rockingham featuring the Tams on Thursday, September 5th. For more information on these events and lots more coming up here in Richmond County, follow us on Facebook, our website, visit richmondcounty.com, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We hope to see you around town. If not, we'll see you next week.